How to fix Citizens Bank won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you are using disabled internet connection or not. For that, you can launch your settings. Now go ahead and open this option of Wi-Fi. Now click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to and click on the option of forget this network. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution. Close this. Launch your App Store. Now you have to update the app to its latest version. So go ahead and search for the app Citizens Bank. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, launch your settings, scroll down, open this option General, go ahead and open this option iPhone Storage. Now on this page you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and open this app Citizen Banks. Once you open it, click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply next solution. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. So click on this option Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, this app will be deleted from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store, search for the app Citizen Banks. Once app appears, install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Citizens Bank won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.